Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you something that a lot of people think is super easy, but it's not. And that's finding good references for your art. If you're interested in learning the right way to do this, make sure to follow me and subscribe to my channel. Step 1. Where to find references. Alright, first things first. Where do you look for references? A lot of people immediately go to Pinterest, and while that's not bad, there's a problem. Pinterest is flooded with AI-generated images these days. Sometimes you don't even realize you're looking at AI art. So what's the solution? Try using DeviantArt for more authentic references. You can still use Pinterest, but don't just compare your work to others' use references as inspiration, not as a strict standard. Step 2. Organizing your ideas. Now, how do you keep your ideas organized? Personally, I use an app called Miro, show screenshot clip, to map out all my ideas. For this drawing, I combined different concepts to create something original. Why? Because if you only follow one reference, you might end up accidentally copying someone else's work. Step 3. Quick tip for inspiration. Here's another tip. Always write down your ideas when they come to you. For example, I dreamed about this character, and the first thing I did was jot it down in my Notes app, since I didn't have time to draw it right away. Small habits like this make a huge difference in your creative process. I hope you found these tips helpful. If you did, smash that like button, subscribe for more art advice, and follow me on Instagram, TikTok for extra tips. See you in the next video.